We were both young. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on the balcony in summer.
Uy, hindi ko na siya makikita.
Ako na. See the lights, see the bright fog, see you make your way through the crowd. You say hello, Jigger. Little did I know, Jigger, that you were Romeo. Hey, Mommy. Ano? Wait lang. Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. Ay, mali. Jigger, we were both young when I first saw. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. Jigger, bumaba ka, putang ina. See, make your way through the crowd. You said hello, little na. Ay, upload ko na sa Facebook para makita nila Justine. Yung bagong bahay natin. Hi! This is our new house. This is our sala. Lang. Pakita ko to. This is our kitchen. See? This is the maid's quarter. But, hindi pa kasi ayos. This is the CR. Ayan. Ayan. Dito sa labas yung mga doggies. Pero, ayun din. Basta.